you know they have their own specific roles to play. Now let me introduce my daughters. My first daughter is simple present tense.
Hi, everybody knows me. I am simple present tense. I help people when they talk about their routine, their likes, dislikes, hobbies, facts, and universal truth. Hey, do not confuse between me and my sister, present continuous. For example, I go to school. I ate a breakfast. Thank you.
And my second daughter is present continuous tense.
I am the second daughter of present tense. I am present continuous. I help many people in a special. When you talk about an action for example, you are talking, you are smiling, thank you.
And my third daughter is present perfect tense.
Hey, I am present perfect tense. I join past tense is a present. I help you all when you talk about an action. We took use in the past, but the front of the action is still in the present. I give for example, Rani has just written a letter. Thank you.
And my fourth daughter is present perfect continuous tense.
Hello everybody, I am present perfect continuous. Most of you think my sister present perfect. And I have same work to do. We can be used one for the others. No, I have my own identity. I help people when talk about action in their past, in the future. Let's I tell some examples. You have been watching the stage. Another example. Rania has been writing a letter. Thank you.
Come, my dears.